Yes, as you can see, I'm in a very happy mood, and the reason being that peace has returned to Rivers State once again, and I want to start by commending the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for his fatherly intervention. I also want to commend the FCT Minister and former Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Barrister Daboikiabo, our leader. I also want to commend the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, our leader also, for accepting and allowing peace to reign in Rivers State. Because without peace, there will be no development. And without development, how will the people feel the dividends of democracy in the state? And that's why I am particularly happy, and Rivers people are glad to see that peace has returned to Rivers State. The political tension and crisis has been put to a halt, has been put an end. And we are very grateful to God for that, because we have been praying for that. And we also want to commend every stakeholder that has contributed in one way or the other to the peace that today we are seeing, or to the peace initiative. We want to commend them. And we also want to use this opportunity to plead with the FCT minister and also the governor that they shouldn't pay attention to, rumor mongers, those that want to come and lie about the governor to the FCT minister and about the FCT minister to the governor in order to cause crisis once again, because some of them cannot strive without crisis. And we believe there are a few persons that are not happy with this peace development that has come to the state. And therefore, we want to plead with them to ignore and not listen to such persons, because Rivers people are very much happy with the new development in the state that has brought about peace, and are happy that the political tension has been put to an end. Because when there is peace, there will be development and dividends of democracy drawn to the doorstep of the people. We, as Rivers people, our prayer is that this peace will be a lasting peace, and Rivers State will not experience such political tension and crisis. Because before APC, which was established in 2015, and before PDP, which was established in 1998-99, Rivers State has been there, and Rivers State was created in 1976. So we are most interested in peace and development of Rivers State, and that's why we are praying and hoping and believing God and our leaders that this peace this time will be a lasting one, because both of them have demonstrated statesmanship, leadership, and maturity for giving peace a chance in the state. And as such, I want to call on every Rivers indigene and residents to please support both of them and support this new peace initiative and development that has come to Rivers State, and we believe it has come to stay. Thank you very much.